Alright, I'm doing an update on lot number 20, just kind of showing you guys what we have going on out here. We have the shingles going up today. They will have them all completed today, which is going to be really nice. We'll get this place dried in. They'll be putting in windows, I think. I think it's going to be tomorrow or the next day. We've got doors. We might have two. Let's see. We have two doors. Look at that. We have two doors. And they're starting to go through here and do some plumbing. We've got a tub in. Let's see what else we have here. It's always a surprise when you come out here. They've got some more rough plumbing going in for the kitchen. They've got a sun tunnel in. That's going to be really nice. I always describe these to people, how they are, and that's a perfect way to show you. That little tube can bend anyway and bring sunlight into the home, and it doesn't have to be direct sunlight, so it doesn't get hot. It reflects off that tube. I got some rough plumbing here for the shower and the vent. They're coming along. Yep, they got that shower. They are doing good. So hopefully here soon we'll get this all dried in, and should be, I'm guessing, I think the windows are going to be out here tomorrow or the next day. So they have windows in here, and this place will be all dried in and ready for them to start doing electrical and drywall.